Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a video and show people how to replace this lantern tree's O-rings. See, the O-rings are inside of here. They get worn out. Sometimes they get torn and you'll have a leak. You'll be screwing on your lantern or your hose and you'll feel that it's getting tight and something's not right in there. That means that O-ring in there got folded over and torn. I'm going to show you how to replace this. I bought this lantern tree at the gear store used, and the O-rings are just old and crusty. I want to change them out. So I got this O-ring kit, got it on Amazon, and it's been real helpful, especially these little ones down here. These big ones are really thick, and I usually don't have a use for these big ones, but definitely these little ones. Also have this O-ring kit from the auto supply store. You have a 50-piece kit and you can get one of these pretty cheap, and it's really handy to have. So I recommend getting something like that just to have. Okay, so here's the tool I'm going to use. It's a little pick, and you see I think I broke the tip off of this one. It used to be sharp like this one, but this one actually works pretty good. So what we're going to do is take this white piece out, this collar, and I'm going to start in one corner and work around, trying not to scratch it or scratch the metal. So and you don't have to put a lot of pressure. You get under that white piece and pull it real easy. If it doesn't come up, go around. Keep going around until you get that out of there like that. So now we got to get this O-ring out. The O-ring is under it. Pulling this out, it's that easy. See, this one's really old, so you want to save your old one right here, down there. Okay, save that old one, and then we're going to get one of these new ones, and the new one is a number 02. I don't know what that means, but that's the one that's the same size. So get your old one, get your new one, take a visual look. They look pretty good. If you're not sure, put them on top of each other. Looks pretty good. About as close as we're going to get. And all we're going to do is work that back into the hole. Kind of get it far as I can with my finger. And then I use this to push it all the way down. And you want to make sure everything's even. Get it in there, that there's no folds or lumps. That looks good, and then you put your plastic collar back in. Alright, and then you get your equipment, screw it back on there, turn the propane on, test it out with either soapy water. If you don't have soapy water on, some simple green or any kind of cleaner that it will bubble if there's any leaks. But that's how you do that. Thanks.